So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. Guys, today our question is group anagrams. So what are anagrams? First of all, anagrams are nothing but words or phrases or sentences or strings which are rearranged but have the exactly same literals or characters used. Okay, so for example, let us read this. Anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or a phrase, typically using all the letters exactly once. And what we need to do, we need to find the group of anagrams, the anagrams basically which are together. We are given a vector of strings, so we are given couple of many strings, and we need to group those strings together which are anagrams. So how we will be doing it? It's a simple problem, yes, because we can use a hash map. Okay, so what are anagrams? Anagrams are nothing but irrespective of the order in which the element is present, they have the same characters. So think about a map. What is a map containing? Map contains a key and all the pairs related to that key. So will that not be something that can serve our purpose? Because we need a key and we need some pairs related to that key. And what can be our key? Our key can be this sorted form of that string, because everything, if we sort it, then it will yield the same result if it is an anagram. So we are doing exactly the same. We have an unordered map, we have a vector of vector string answer which we will return. And what we are doing, we are simply iterating the string and then iterating the vector of string given, and then calculating or taking out that string, sorting it, and then using it as a key and pushing back the strings in that key. Okay, for example, we have eat, t and ate, eat, eat, and tea as our strings. So how will the map look like? Map will be like aet pointing to ate, eat as well as tee, as these are the same things after sorting. And simply we can, they are now grouped, so simply we can answer dot pushback it dot second. This is as simple as that. So yeah guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, you like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next